Tesla. I like this Tesla this morning, and it's got room to, 1100 to 1130. I like this. We're coming up on 1100. We get through that 1100, we got room all the way up to here, and this is what I'm looking for. So I like it. And so what do I need? I need to pull back into 1070. I need the PC.
Order filled.
Got my Tesla on there, and I'm seeing lots and lots. 300 contracts come in here on the at the money strike. 300 contracts just came in. That kind of stuff will move the market right there. Let's sell a couple, just pay myself here.
Order filled.
Stop in place on the other ones. Almost $5 out of these contracts here. I think I pay myself a couple more. I'm going to pay myself on Tesla. I might just get an ad. And let's come on, buy my contracts right at pre-market high. One more.
Order filled.
So I'm down to half. I sold half of them there. We're right at pre-market highs. You never know what this thing's going to do. If we break up, I can always do another ad. I can always add to a winner here. Still got half size on. So if we can get a good setup here, 5-minute candle close, pull back into 85, or better yet, pull back into 85 pre-market highs during this 5-minute candle. I didn't get filled. $2 up from where my entry. I'm not going to buy it now. Oh well. At least I still got half size on. Maybe someone caught that. I hope someone caught that. It was perfect. I'm still up $10 on these things. Over $10 on my last half.
Order filled.
There we go. So I just let it hit my profit stop. So I'm all out that other half. Freaking trade. Gorgeous trade. I got orders sitting out here on Tesla. If we can pull back into pre-market highs, I'm gonna let it fill. Come on, there it's getting really close to my
order filled.
There we go. So I got half size filled on that first bit. There we go, and I just got filled the other 5. So I got full size on this one. I'm gonna stops in place. There we go. Put my profit stop. Move my profit stop up a little bit. We pull back. I'm gonna take off half. Be just a couple $1 or $2 out of those. Tesla coming into 90, man. So I need to sell a little bit of these here.
Order filled.
Ooh, I just paid myself on Tesla. Paid myself on that. On some there. Take the stress off. Got my profit stop in place. And now we're just ripping faces off. Beautiful. Right back into 1100. I want to see it get through 1100 this time, right? This is the one. This is the one that needs to get breakthrough. And it looks like it's going to. So I'm going to
order filled.
Go ahead and pay myself a little bit more. We're testing this 1100, right? So I wanted to pay myself some more, and then I'm going to keep moving my profit stop up in smart places that make sense. Man, I top ticked that sell. I top ticked that profit taken there. Anyway, I got a profit stop in place on the last 5 there. Got over $10 out of that first one, and got 6 or 7 out of that one. $14 out of Tesla in one day, right?